Do you have water on your lungs? It is a buildup of excess fluid in the space between the lungs and the chest wall. It prevents proper lung expansion, resulting in breathlessness and sometimes chest pain. Medically, it is known as pleural effusion. To relieve your breathlessness from recurrent pleural effusion, your doctor might insert an indwelling pleural catheter or IPC into your chest through a procedure under local anesthesia. It is a small, flexible tube that can easily drain the excess fluid from around your lungs regularly and safely. Your doctor may have inserted either of these two types of catheter for you. The two can be easily differentiated by the shape and color of their catheter valves. The catheter will be in your chest for as long as required, so you don't have to visit the hospital for repeated insertions to drain the fluid. You or your caregiver can perform the draining of the fluid at home using special pre-vacuum bottles. Your doctor will advise you on how often to drain the fluid, as it depends on your condition and how quickly the fluid builds up. Typically, you will drain it once a week. But if you start to feel more breathless or tightness in your chest, you might need to do it more often. Make sure to keep a record of the amount and characteristics of the fluid you drain. If you notice any changes, let your doctor know. And rest assured that you can shower even if you have the catheter in place. All you need to do is to cover the dressing with a clean plastic sheet and secure it with a tape before showering. Cut out 5 strips of the tape. Double tape the top side of the plastic sheet. Then, tape the other sides of the plastic sheet. After your shower, dry yourself before removing the plastic sheet. Do not stick the tape on the existing transparent dressing to prevent it from being accidentally pulled off during the removal of tape after showering. You can buy the markable tape from the pharmacy and the clean plastic bags from the supermarkets. That's all I have for today. Thanks and bye!